Building blocks for powerful families. I have been dedicating my life for the last 30 years plus in building my own powerful family with my husband and our 3 children and even now my grandchild. I have been serving families and helping all aspects of families in their strive to become a powerful and a joyful family. So I'm presenting this workshop called Building Blocks for Powerful Families, where I'm going to be sharing some very, very important building blocks for you to put in place and keep on putting in place and working on. Building blocks like understanding what is of real importance and priority and value to each family member, because that helps you to know why a person does what they do and why they think the way that they're thinking. I'm going to help you to also understand how to communicate so that family members will hear you, and how to develop the art of listening and artful communication. How to develop caring relationships, not careless or careful relationships. I'm going to be sharing some skills on setting boundaries with your children, boundaries for yourself, boundaries in your relationships. I'm going to be sharing how to set the GPS for your family by creating an inspiring vision. And what is the art of gratitude for your wonderful family? So come and join me for this 4-hour in-person workshop where we're going to be unpacking the powerful building blocks in building your powerful family. I'm looking forward to see you.